Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video we will be looking at another Hot Wheels from the collection, from the toy cabinet, in form of the Dodge D100 from 1987 as a reverse rake. Now, I didn't know what a reverse rake meant until I looked it up for this video. Reverse rake means that the front of the car is higher than the back, which is pretty obvious with this one. Now the blister, as always, as always, good quality with the car front and center 105. But yeah, let's set this aside and have a look at the model itself. Now the D100s, just a sec to pull up. Yeah, the D100 or the D series is a pickup line of trucks that was sold by Dodge from October 1960 to September 1993. The basic design was retained until October 93, introducing of a completely redesigned Ram. So technically this design was until 1993, then Dodge changed it. Yeah, so that is the basic history of the D100, the D series from Dodge, and this in particular is quite a looker. The paintwork, as always, is pretty good, like really good, from a glossy greenish color. But yeah, really cool. Now let's look at the details. As from the blister, as you saw, there are no headlights. The headlights have been covered, and I think they have been replaced with these ones, the high beam. It has a scoop, Mopar 100 sticker with these three lines, really beautifully crafted. BF cartridge, Hot Wheels, Dodge, half. I'm not really sure what it says here. But yeah, this seems, I don't know what this seems to be. It might be an all-terrain, or it might be a race car, not really sure. But in any case, we have some really cool details with the spare tires here. Unfortunately, it does have some casting errors, but yeah, this is a strap for it, which is not really detailed. It would have been, oh, I still have paint on me. These are not really detailed, and there is something in the back here. Yeah, that let me shine a light on it. Yeah, this is really cool because this seems to be a toolkit. That might be a jack for replacing the tire, and that might be the toolkit. Yeah, really cool detail, like really cool. The interior is classic, nothing outstanding there. No back tailgate for whatever reason, and these grooves, this is these are real grooves from casting. The bars for stability, I think, and the huge wheels, detailed nonetheless. And there is something, so 27 metal, D100 made in Malaysia. Useful information, I think. But yeah, really cool model, really like it. The color scheme is great, and the custom bodywork, the custom all is pretty great. Yeah, really like it. But man, I'm dirty, I need to clean my hands. But yeah, that being said, I would really like to know your opinion. Leave a comment down below with what you think. Let's start a conversation. And as always, that being said, thank you so much for watching. and have a good one.